So I got some free stakes with spades on them that go in the ground for fencing. Got 12 or 14 of them, but two of them, the spades falling off. So I'm just going to give them some quick dirty welds to hold them on there, and this way they don't get lost down in the ground. I'll have to inspect the rest of them, make sure they're not coming apart. But yeah, that was cool. My neighbor said, yep, got plenty of them. And so that saved me from having to buy landscape timbers to use as fence posting for the garden. And then cheapest way to get fencing is order it. Takes a little longer to, but I can go ahead and get seed and plants in the ground. But yeah, I'm gonna weld this up real quick, so hold on. That ought to do it. Always turn your gas off when you're done. In case there's a leak. Don't want to lose your gas. All right? I think my shorts were on fire for a minute. Alright, let me show you the damage. That ain't too shabby for a white boy with one arm. Yeah, buddy. You guys ought to try that new drug they got out there called amputation. Take a few pills, your arm will fall off. Then you can weld like the one arm dude. That one there, I did blow a hole right there. I didn't have a good ground on this one, but anyway, hang on. Alrighty, had to remove the phone from that gimbal. I need a new one. That battery's shot. Doesn't last very long. But yeah, that'll hold, get them in the ground tomorrow and get some fencing up. This is to, you know, the fencing. I'm going to plant my green beans and cucumbers along the fencing. Just makes it a lot neater and keeps the garden nice and clean, and your vines are not growing everywhere, and you got healthier produce. But yeah, all right, that's my fun weekend Friday job, and I may have another one for you Sunday concerning the garden and let you know the progress. Later. God bless you. I love y'all. And Teddy from the Life in Pines, this is why you need a welder, so you can fix things, mister. Get away from drywall. And that, what did you call that thing? A turd processor 2000? That was hilarious. Alright guys, shop's a little dirty again. Had somebody complaining that it was too clean. So I've been dirtying it up and working on this tiller, which I think this tiller is going to end up being scrap. I found another one, a Craftsman, and it needs wheels and tines. I may get it and use the tines and wheels from this one onto that Craftsman. Salvage that engine for my little go-kart frame. I haven't showed you this. I just picked this up the other day. Got everything but an engine, but yeah, it'll be a fun little project. Grandkids will love it. All right, later. God bless. Beautiful night. Got my ambient lights on. It's so romantic. I just gotta wait on the deer to show up. Back there's the garden. Oh, there's what's left of the yard. Okay, bye.